Commercial concrete pumping in Ridgefield CT area demands speed, precision, and dependable equipment, especially when deadlines, access limits, and placement quality all matter at once. Concrete pumping services in Ridgefield CT support commercial slabs, footings, basement floors, sidewalk pours, and large-scale foundation work with efficient on-site concrete pumping, line pumping, boom pumping, and concrete hose pumping. For contractors needing a licensed concrete pumping contractor in Ridgefield CT, Concrete Placement Services in Ridgefield, Connecticut. Help move ready-mix delivery exactly where it is needed while reducing labor strain, minimizing waste, and improving pour consistency across northern Fairfield County concrete pumping projects. Residential concrete pumping Ridgefield CT is ideal for homeowners and builders who need clean, accurate concrete placement for driveways, patios, pool decks, retaining walls, and basement floors. Concrete pumping Ridgefield CT options make it easier to complete driveway concrete pumping in Ridgefield CT, patio concrete pump service Ridgefield CT, pool deck concrete pumping Ridgefield CT, and retaining wall concrete pumping Ridgefield CT with less mess and better control than traditional wheelbarrow methods. A local concrete pumping company in Ridgefield CT can provide pump hire, concrete pump truck support, and hard-to-reach concrete placement for homes with tight access, steep grades, or backyard builds. Foundation Concrete Pumping Ridgefield CT is a practical solution for new construction, additions, and structural work that requires accurate footing concrete pumping in Ridgefield CT and foundation pour pumping. Concrete placement specialists Ridgefield CT use concrete pump truck services and line pump concrete placement to streamline basement concrete pumping Ridgefield CT, basement floor pumping, and slab pouring and pumping Ridgefield, Connecticut with greater efficiency. Whether the job requires mud pumping for deep forms or foundation concrete pumping in Ridgefield CT for a residential build, ready-mix concrete pumping Ridgefield CT keeps material flowing consistently and reduces delays on site. Driveway concrete pumping Ridgefield CT helps contractors and property owners place concrete faster across long runs, narrow side yards, and difficult access points. Concrete pumping services in Ridgefield CT are especially useful for driveway concrete pumping in Ridgefield CT, slab pumping, and sidewalk pumping where a concrete pump truck or line pumping setup can deliver the mix directly to the finish area. Ridgefield CT concrete delivery and pumping services also support ready-mix delivery for driveways, aprons, garage slabs, and walkways, making same-day concrete pumping Ridgefield CT an efficient option for busy schedules and weather-sensitive pours. High-rise concrete pumping and commercial concrete pumping Ridgefield CT area projects require reliable pressure, long-distance delivery, and professional handling from experienced crews. Boom pump concrete service. Ridgefield, Connecticut is ideal for multi-story access, elevated decks, and large commercial slabs, while concrete hose pumping Ridgefield CT contractors handle detailed placement in congested job sites and confined forms. Concrete pumping contractor teams in Ridgefield, Connecticut support commercial concrete pumping with scalable equipment, concrete placement services, and pump hire options that help keep high-volume pours moving safely and on time. Sidewalk concrete pumping Ridgefield CT gives builders and municipalities a faster way to place concrete in straight runs, curved paths, and tight urban or suburban areas. Concrete hose pumping Ridgefield CT contractors can guide material into forms with accuracy for sidewalks, patio concrete pumping, retaining wall foundations, and footing concrete pumping in Ridgefield Court. For projects needing concrete placement services in Ridgefield CT, a concrete pumping contractor can improve finish quality, reduce segregation, and make on-site concrete pumping more manageable across residential streets and commercial corridors in Ridgefield, Connecticut. Affordable concrete pumping Ridgefield, Connecticut is a smart choice for projects that need quality results without unnecessary overhead. A local concrete pumping company in Ridgefield CT can provide concrete pump truck services, line pumping, boom pumping, and residential concrete pumping Ridgefield, Connecticut at a competitive rate while maintaining professionalism and efficiency. Concrete pumping services in Ridgefield CT are especially valuable for concrete placement specialists who coordinate with ready-mix delivery, Concrete Hose Pumping Ridgefield CT contractors, and same-day Concrete Pumping Ridgefield CT requests for small and mid-size pours. Patio Concrete Pumping Ridgefield CT and Pool Deck Concrete Pumping Ridgefield CT require careful placement to protect finishes, edges, and drainage slopes. Residential Concrete Pumping Ridgefield, Connecticut makes it easier to move material into backyard spaces, around landscaping, and through narrow gates without the disruption of manual hauling. With Concrete Pumping Ridgefield CT support, builders can handle patio concrete pump service Ridgefield CT jobs, pool deck pours, and hard-to-reach concrete placement with better control and less site congestion, especially in neighborhoods throughout northern Fairfield County concrete pumping service areas. Concrete pumping services in Ridgefield CT are also a strong fit for slab pumping, basement floor pumping, footing pumping, and foundation pours where consistency and timing are essential. Ridgefield CT concrete pump truck services and Ridgefield, Connecticut line pump concrete placement help manage ready-mix concrete pumping Ridgefield CT for both small residential jobs and large commercial placements. When a project requires concrete placement services in Ridgefield CT, a licensed concrete pumping contractor Ridgefield CT can deliver dependable mud pumping, slab pouring and pumping Ridgefield, Connecticut, and foundation concrete pumping Ridgefield CT solutions with the equipment needed for efficient results. Concrete pump truck access in Ridgefield, Connecticut simplifies the entire process from ready-mix delivery to final placement, especially on jobs that involve restricted driveways, rear yard slabs, or elevated forms. Concrete pumping contractor support makes commercial concrete pumping Ridgefield CT area projects and residential concrete pumping Ridgefield, Connecticut projects more efficient by reducing bottlenecks and improving flow. From driveway concrete pumping in Ridgefield CT to sidewalk concrete pumping Ridgefield, Connecticut, from basement concrete pumping Ridgefield CT to footing concrete pumping in Ridgefield CT, the right concrete placement specialists Ridgefield CT help ensure clean, precise, and professional results every time.